Good night, tutor. My name is Henry Alberto Cardona Giraldo. Industrial Engineer student, Santander Clichao campus. Next I will answer the 5 questions selected in the guide. Did you go signing on your last trip? What was the most interesting place you visited? My last trip was 3 years ago to the city of Buenaventura, and the most interesting place I visited was Pianguita Beach. It was a very fun ride. What is the most unknown food you have tried on a trip? On a trip to Buenaventura, we entered the gallery and they fed with lunch, 10 milk. Not that I never seen a turtle, but I never thought they were a bug, so I was really impressed. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? What did you do? On my trip to Buenaventura, I rode a box jet ski and enjoyed the waves of the sea. What was the cheapest place you visited in your city? The cheapest place I had visited in my cities by Hood Nature Center. It has different places that fit my budget. Have you ever met a new friend on a trip? How did it happen? On the boat trip, I met a very funny person we touched during the tour. We shared the word and sometimes we communicate through social network. Thank you, teacher.